What's up guys, Jacob the Gaming here. Today we're going to be playing some more fishing simulator. Go to up to easy, because why not? Stupid parrots, so they're frick, my Yes, please, no. No. So I'm gonna be going out to them. I'll get back to y'all when I get there. Okay, boys, we're there. Now it's time to catch a fish. Hopefully it's something good. Oh, it's something bad. It's an angel fish, okay. I'll do that. I'm gonna just go deeper out. Yeah, okay. I'll get back to y'all when I get there, because it's gonna be quite a while. So guys, when I was going out there, I got eaten by a shark. And I'm sorry for my webcam being off. I'll turn that on in a second. But so yeah, that game. I hope someone's they're going where I want to go. So yeah, get back to you. Guys, I just caught a marlin out there, so. And I want another one. Dang it. So I'm gonna go sell. Hopefully I think that was one of my better rounds. But getting that giant sea bass man, that was so good. I got freaking money. Huge too. No. Those don't sell for much. God dang, why do I always get trapped? It's annoying. My fish is okay, I can't move. So I'm gonna go be doing some more fishing up there. Why not? I'll just go out myself then. Okay guys, so I'll be, hold on guys, wait a second. Okay, so now I'll just be selling the fish that I got. I hope that that little baby stingray, it's tiny, but these like, so I hope so. Sure. I mean, I need to make something big. Those sandlands are really big, but like, they're not good. Oh, things. You want me to move? I'm not walking away. I can't. Okay, I guess I can't sell that. I'll go tell. I need some supplies. Alright, I'll play something good. See what you got. Is there anything else I can get? Like, I could fish more with that. Well, anyways, guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.